Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. It is Halloween month! Woo! So excited! So I have 4 Halloween videos coming up for you guys. This is the first one. It is a tutorial on this look. I tried to keep it as short and as simple as possible. I'd love if you could watch it all the way to the end and let me know what you think. If you're interested to learn how I did this look, then please keep watching. Don't mind my skin, it is dry, it is spotty, it is sore. So we're just going to move and we're going to pretend that it's not sore because Halloween is coming. So I'm going to be doing a clown today. I actually was looking through some old photos with my mum and dad today from way before I was born. And there's a photo in here of my mum dressed as a clown, so I'm going to insert that in here. Sorry mum, to be fair, I think she looks really cute in it. Starting off with Pee-wee's base 2 and 3. I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes. I'm going to do it off camera because we want to save a little bit of time. Now I'm going to go in with the Be Perfect Cosmetics Carnival palette, and this is Love Tahiti. And I think we're going to do some warm tones, maybe do like some oranges and reds. I also don't want to spend too much time on this because we've got lots that we're going to be doing. So I'm going to see if I can get through everything really quite quickly. So I'm going to go in with Chili Pepper here, the nice dark red one, with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush JH33. You can use code GLAMFAM1168 for money off at Morphe. And I'm just tapping this into the outer corner and bringing it up and in towards the middle of my eye, just staying above the crease. Now I'm going to go into Mango here, nice orange one, and with a Morphe M456 brush, I'm just applying this round the shadow that we have done already. I'm also going to be bringing it a little bit closer to the outside of my eyebrow. I'm now going in with, I can't actually quite pronounce this name, but it's xoxo, spelled E-I-G and then show. And this is our blending brush E811. Oh my god, my nose is so red, I keep itching it. Ugh. You can use my code LISA15 for money off with this brand. And I'm going to go into the shade Yellow. And again, I'm just applying this all around my eye and bringing it up closer to my brows. Now I'm just going to go back down with all those colours and darken it all up. Just gonna pat on the lid a little bit of the base that we had on earlier, and then I'm applying that orange shade next to the red more on the lid this time. And then I'm gonna go into Pearl here, it's the kind of pink colour, with a Lick and Lash brush, and I'm just applying this onto the lid where we don't have any colour, and I'm gonna apply some liner off camera. Now going underneath my eyes with the Be Perfect Prime, and with an xoxo blending brush, which is E812. I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, making sure I'm getting it all the way up to my lash line. I'm now going to go under my eyes with the same colours that we used on top, so with Chili Pepper, Mango and Yellow. And I'm going to be using 3 Peaches and Cream brushes. I'm using PC31, PC07 and PC32. Just going to speed this all up and make sure that we get through it quite quickly. So this is the eyes pretty much finished. It's very quick and easy to do this because we want to spend all of our time on the actual Halloween makeup. So I'm just going to do my base off camera and then we'll be back for some of the more arty stuff. So I've just done my base. I'm now going to be going in with one of the Pee-wee's bases, and this is Rude Boy Red. And with a Morphe M506 brush, I'm just going to be patting this under my eyes into a sort of triangle shape, your very much clown kind of look. I'm also not wanting to be too neat with this. I want it to look kind of messy and kind of splodgy, a little bit like paint. What shall I do now? I'm going to get some neon pigments. So I'm going into this K Rose Bee pigment, and this is potassium. It is kind of orangey, but hopefully it'll look a little bit more red when it's on. Oh my god, it's so bright. And using an xoxo Beauty brush, this is Pencil E815. I'm just going to be kind of dabbing this product over the red area that we've got going on here. And I'm not being too neat with it. I want it to look kind of splodgy again. I'm now going to go in with this Cocoa and Glowy pigment stack. I'm going to use the orange one at the bottom. And I'm just going to use the same brush. I'm going to pat this a wee bit further out now. Just give it a little bit of dimension. And going back in with Chili Pepper here, I'm just going to kind of deepen it up in the middle a little bit. And I'm using this little brush from Eco Tools. So I'm just patting this on randomly. I'm also using quite a lot of this pigment here, so we're using quite a bit of powder. Okay, I think I'm going to do my eyebrows purple. So I'm going to go in with the Ecstasy paint here, and I'm going to mix it a little bit with the blank canvas just so it's not quite as dark a purple. And because this is one of the paints instead of the coloured base, it should cover a little bit better. So hopefully that won't be quite as dark now. I'm using the xoxo angled eyeliner brush. This is E835, and I recommend if you're using these bases and you don't want to get your white brushes stained to use one that is already dark. And I'm just applying this to my brows, just in your regular kind of brow shape, just making sure that all the hair is covered. And I'm now going to go in with the base, which is Vivid Violet, and I'm basically just going to mirror the triangles that we've done here, but I'm just going to be putting them above my brows. So again, using another Morphe brush M507, I'm just patting this above my brows into a sort of triangle shape, again mirroring the triangle that we've got below. Now going back in with the Cocoa and Glowy Neon Pigment Stack. Actually, I can't get my words out, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. And I'm going to go in with the purple here. This is quite a deep purple, so this will deepen it up quite a lot. And I am going in with this BH Cosmetics brush, and this is number 10. Just doing the same that we did before, just splatting this on everywhere, trying to deepen it up a little bit. Now we're going to go into the pink one here and just using the same brush. And I'm just going to go a wee bit further out this time. And lastly, to finish off the triangles, I'm going to go into Blackberry here. This is the darkest purple in the palette. And with a Peaches and Cream PC33 brush, I'm just darkening this up again. I think I might actually do a few splodges around my brows. So this is just the base again that I'm going round with. And I'll just go over these a wee bit with the pigments. I'm just using whatever's left on my brush now. Okay, and now for the mouth, I'm just going to go back in with my Bobbi Brown gel liner. And I'm going in with an eggshell brush. This is a concealer brush. It is very, very small. I don't know if you'll be able to see how thin this is. Oh my lord. So it's just a nice wee curved brush. And I'm just applying this as normal, as if I would have lipstick on, and then when we get to the outer corners, I'm going to really pull them up, make it a nice straight shape, and we're going to be looking very clown-like after that. I do think that gel liner is the best thing to do with this with. Black paint is also good, but I feel like you really need to build up the black paint, whereas this gel liner is really dark already. Okay, I've now done like the outline of my lips. I was going to do them all black and do colour around them, but I'm not too sure. I think I might do a wee bit of colour in, but I'm just not sure what. I'm actually thinking I might put this base on my lips here. So again, this is the P. Louise Base Rude Boy Red, and using a Morphe M152 brush. I don't know why this brush is so little. Like, it's really quite random. And I'm just applying this into my lips. I'm also making sure that that's going to blend into the black that we've got around it. I'm going to go into Chili Pepper, and I'm just going to make sure that this blends a little bit more seamless. So from the black to the red, because the red's quite a bit lighter and this colour here is a wee bit darker, it might blend together a little bit better. Okay, I'm going to go into the P. Louise Base Banging Blue, and with a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush JH42, I'm going to go around the outside of my lips here and start blotching this up. Okay, I'm going to go into the K. Rose B pigment, and this is Hydrogen. It's nice and blue. And I'm just going to apply this with the same brush. I've just given it a wee wipe down from the base, and I'm deepening up all of the kind of bluish that we've just added in. And going in with the Morphe M213 brush, I'm going to finish off this area with the yellow on the Cocoa and Glowy Neon Stack. I'm going to apply some of this underneath my brow bone actually, because we've got the orange up here that it'll blend into. Also going to apply a little bit of this to the triangle underneath my eyes. Spooky. Okay, so the nose. I think I'm just going to do like a little bit of a circle for my nose, keep it simple. Going back in with the red base, Rude Boy Red, and with the Morphe M152 brush again, I'm just putting this into a little circle at the end of my nose. I bet it's going to start small and then it's going to get bigger and bigger because I can't keep inside the lines. And I'm applying Chili Pepper to that to make it a little bit darker. And I'm going to apply a little bit of Mango in the middle of that, just to make it look like a more 3D effect. And then going in with my white paint, which is Snazaroo. I do a lot of mixing in this, as you can see. And with a Peaches and Cream PC46 brush, I'm just making a little bit of a shine on this nose we've got going. I think I'm actually going to do a little bit of a shine on my lips as well. So we're basically just mimicking a kind of gloss here. So this is where you want the light to sort of hit. So this is the face almost done. I'm just going to pick some lashes and put some mascara on. Now going in with the Be Perfect lashes. So this is a mix of Inspire and Vibes. I stuck them together because we're both a little bit too small for my liking, so I put them together and this is what they made. Okay, I'm going to go and change into a little strappy top and I'm going to do a little neck art here. Okay, I'm now going to do a cool kind of red white moment, a wee bit like a circus sort of look. Now I'm absolutely rubbish at face paint, so I'm really hoping that this goes okay. I'm actually quite crap at Halloween makeup. I'm really like unclever, I don't really have many ideas. Oh god, I actually hate face paint. That line is so squint. Oh well. My room is vibrating. I'm like majorly regretting starting this now. Just gonna speed this up. I'm gonna try keep my mirror out of the way so you can actually see what I'm doing, but no promises because I'm really crap at that. You're joking. No! Oh lord. Oh jeez. Oh. Okay, I think I got it. And this is the finished look. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you recreate this look, please tag me on my makeup Instagram, which is at _makeup_by_Lisa. I would greatly appreciate it. If you can, give this video a big like and subscribe down below. Please leave me a comment, any comment. Tell me what you like, tell me what you don't like, tell me what you want to see in the future. I love to hear from you. I also have my giveaway still running. I will link it at the top of the description box for you to enter. And I will hopefully see you in the next one. Bye 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 bye.